The existing loan syndication process is incredibly inefficient. Not only can it take weeks or even months to complete, it's also only accessible to large institutional lenders. From entering loan details to processing the deal, loan originators have to put up with a number of time-consuming and expensive manual processes. Loan Ecosystem Online solves these problems. Syndicate loans using LEO's streamlined process. List loans privately or publicly. Manage the tier diligence process. Monitor lender activity in real time. Manage post-closing and agency work via a state-of-the-art data room that connects originators, lenders, agents, and borrowers. Expand distribution via an introduction to new lenders on the LEO platform. Loan Ecosystem Online. Click to request a live demo.